This time on building terminology, wall plates. So the timber wall plate, when used in masonry construction, is a horizontal timber member that is placed on top of a masonry or a concrete wall to support timber frame construction above that. You can have a bottom wall plate placed on a foundation wall, and then the studs or posts are housed into that, and the top plate on a masonry construction, like pictured below, performs the same function as the top plate in the timber frame construction and supports the roof and ceiling construction that goes on above that. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.